Hi, I think this is the right time to swatch the Vice Cosmetics One and Done Stick Blush, Contour, and Bronzer Sticks. Let's start first with the blushes. They have 6 different shades. Let's swatch first Sunfleck. This is Sunfleck. Next shade is Sunkissed. This is Sunkissed. Next shade is Dawnish. Ooh, Dawnish. Next shade is Rosette. Next is Peony. And lastly, my favorite shade, Flatter. Sis, ano na? Let's do a rundown. This is Sunfleck, Sunkissed, Dawnish, Rosette, Peony, and Flatter. Now, let's watch the Bronzer and Contour Sticks. Let's start first with the Bronzer Sticks. First, I have Achieve. This is Achieve. Next, we have Push. Now, for the Contour Sticks, let's watch first the Twilight. And lastly, to complete these swatches, we have Dusk. Let's do a rundown. This is Achieve, Push, Twilight, and Dusk. These are the blushes. As you can see, the blushes of the One and Done Stick of Vice Cosmetics leans on the more neutral side. And there you go. These are the Vice Cosmetics One and Done Sticks. Let me know your favorite shades. Alam nyo, i-blend natin to. Ano kaya itsura? Mukha akong maga. Ayan. I-blend natin. Ay. Ay, ang ganda niya. Ang ganda nito pag na-blend, oh. Even with sponge, ang ganda pa rin ng color niya. Oh. And this really can go a long way kasi pigmented siya and you don't need too much blush. But of course, if gusto mo ng super cute blush, you will go too much. But yeah. Oh, ang ganda niya pag na-blend. Ay!